This is Colleen with the Science Zone, and today is another opportunity to encourage you to get involved in citizen science. It's time. We've made it. It's spring, and it is time to go outside and have a picnic, even if you have to be socially isolated. We all know that sometimes ants can ruin a picnic. Instead of looking at them as a nuisance, let's look at them as a science project. Ants are pretty interesting little insects. As a matter of fact, out of about 1 million insect species, somewhere between 12 and 15,000 are ants. Ants can live in colonies, sometimes up to 1 million ants live in a colony, and there are well-defined roles for the ants in that colony, just similar to bees. There are queens and soldiers and slaves. And whether or not we are willing to admit it, we have probably all watched in awe as an ant carried something much larger than its body away from our picnic. If a human being were as strong as an ant, a second grader would be able to carry a car. I don't know if you've ever looked, but did you know ants don't have ears? They actually hear by feeling. They also don't have lungs. The oxygen comes in through holes in their body, and carbon dioxide leaves through those same holes. Have you ever tried to figure out if some ants like your potato chips and maybe other ants like your Kool-Aid and maybe other ants like your hamburger? Scientists are investigating the snack choices of ants. We know a lot about what humans choose to eat and the diversity of our own diet, but we do not understand what ants like to eat and if it is different at different times of the year or in different places around the world. And that information could be helpful for scientists trying to figure out what might be missing in an ant's environment and how climate change could be affecting ant populations. This has been studied at North Carolina State University since 2011. And since then, citizen scientists have been continuing to help with that research by collecting data from backyards and schoolyards, sidewalks and streets. Now they have gone on to ask another question about what do ants prefer to eat. And this is a citizen science project that we can all be involved in, and it is a good excuse to get outside and have a picnic. I have enlisted the help of Dr. Magdalena Sorger from the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, who has been leading this project called Ant Picnic. Her personal story of finding her way from a business degree to a life studying ants is a great lesson in finding passion in your work and can be found at theantlife.org. Let's take a listen to her description of this project.
Hi, I'm Dr. Magdalena Sorger, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. And I would like to tell you something about our citizen science project, Ant Picnic. We want to learn more about what ants eat in different environments, in your backyard, on your school's playground, at the park. How fast do they come to sugar? How fast do they come to a cookie you drop? Or how fast do they come to all these food sources around us? Here's how you participate. Gather together the ingredients to make an ant picnic. Mix your baits. Set up your ant picnic. Wait for an hour. Collect the ant baits, count the ants, and enter your data on the website. Please exercise caution if you're allergic to ants. Ants are looking to have a balanced diet just like us. Their food preferences at different times of the year and in different places around the world tell us what is missing in their environment. Your participation in citizen science allows us to learn more about more places than we could ever travel to on our own. Your data allows scientists to answer questions that have never been answered before.
This is a great opportunity for families to work together, have a picnic, and do some citizen science. Dr. Sorger and a team of educators have put together a lot of great activities. You will also find information about how to set up your Ant Picnic research project, as well as how to contribute your data to the global database. Those activities are available at studentsdiscover.org. You can connect to that link right here. If you are interested in participating in this project and need help gathering supplies, the Science Zone has kits available with everything you need and ready to begin your own research project. Feel free to contact us at the Science Zone to obtain your kit You can also follow Dr. Sorger on Twitter @MagSorger. And once again, please make sure to check out her website at studentsdiscover.org or theantlife.com. So this has been Colleen with another Daily Dose of Science. I'd like to thank Dr. Sorger for giving us permission to use the information in her websites and her videos for this project. Let's go have a picnic.
If you enjoyed today's content and would like it to continue, please consider joining these generous supporters of the Science Zone and our virtual engagement platform by clicking the donate button here or on our website. Thank you.